guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the Apple Watch Series 3 and telling you whether it's a solid buy in 2020 or not. So I'm super excited for this video, and in this video, by the end of the time that you're watching it, you'll be able to make a solid decision as to why you should buy or should not buy the Apple Watch Series 3. So I was able to pick up the Apple Watch Series 3 a little earlier this week, and I realized that it is one of the best deals and hidden deals of 2020 overall. So the Apple Watch Series 3 has actually been out since late 2017, and to be specific, it debuted in September 2017, and since then we've been introduced to the Apple Watch Series 4 and the Apple Watch Series 5. So this is exactly two Apple Watch series behind the most recent one. And Apple is working on the debut of the Watch Series 6 for late 2020 as we speak. So the Apple Watch just normally has a 1-year refresh cycle, but the good thing about it is that the Apple Watch Series 3 gets watchOS updates for the next few years. So the Apple Watch Series 1 still gets updates, and that was released in 2015. So we can assume that the Apple Watch will still get watchOS 7, which will debut later this year, watchOS 8, watchOS 9, and watchOS 10. And Apple will continue to support the Watch Series 3. So that is some good news. And once again, if you didn't know, the Apple Watch is currently on watchOS 6. So we can hope that the operating system will be optimized and possibly be even faster by that time. So that is something that we should expect with the Apple Watch Series 3. Now, when we think about the Apple Watch Series 3, probably the first thing that you're thinking about is the performance. The overall performance of the Apple Watch Series 3 is very fast. It's very smooth. Anytime you go into an app, you'll see how quick it is. So there's no lag whatsoever. We can go into, let's say we go into this right here. You'll see the time, and it's just super quick. So there's no lag whatsoever. It's perfectly optimized. And that's why I really like the Apple Watch Series 3. So for a little bit of an older device in tech terms, so anything older than a year, you would think it's super slow and not optimized. But the Apple Watch Series 3 is still holding up. So the only thing that's slow is the App Store and the Apple Maps that will take some time to load. But the Apple Watch Series 3 has a S3 dual-core processor, and the Apple Watch Series 5 has a 64-bit dual-core S5 processor. So those two are just a little bit different, and the Apple Watch Series 5 is just more geared towards having all the features of an ECG and always-on display and a compass and everything like that. So you can see that they're just two different processors, and the Apple Watch Series 5 just has a much more updated processor, and they're drastically different in that way. Now, most apps on the Watch Series 4 and 5 will be on the Watch Series 3, except for the Compass app, the Always On, and the ECG and heart monitor features that are only present in the Watch Series 4 and Series 5. So the Messages app, the Maps app, the Activity apps are still found on the Series 3. So that's definitely good. Now, you're probably wondering about the Watch Series 3. You're probably wondering if the price of the Watch Series 3 is still good. Well, the price is very good. Actually, I would say it's one of the best deals that you can get for 2020. So the Watch Series 3 Sport version only goes for $199 for the aluminum version, and that's just the starting price, and that would be the 38mm. And for the 42mm version, so that will be a slightly bigger screen, it goes for $229. So you can see that's a solid deal compared to the Apple Watch Series 5, which starts at $399 and goes all the way up to $1,000 for a special model. So you can see that you could save $200 between the $399 Apple Watch Series 5 and the $199 Apple Watch Series 3. So that is the price I can get with the link down below for the Watch Series 3, but you can also get used pre-owned models for great prices overall. So Apple never has a deal this good, but you can also get a 2017 stainless steel watch that was $700 2.5 years ago, now on eBay and Facebook for a great deal on a very premium product. So you can get it on the Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or local listings for that price, but I just highly recommend you just use the link down below. It'll take you to the best deal for the Apple Watch Series 3 that you can get. So this is just a solid watch. You can still switch out the bands of the Apple Watch, and it's definitely a great buy in 2020 for the Apple Watch Series 3. So thanks for watching this video on the Apple Watch Series 3, and I do think it's one of the best deals that you can get for 2020. It's a very solid device all around, and if you don't care about getting the latest and greatest technology in a watch, this will definitely do the job, and you get it for a great price. So it's provides great value overall, and that's why I highly recommend it. And if you're thinking about getting an Apple Watch, I would say go ahead and get it, because you can get all the fitness features of it. So you can get the pedometer and just see your activity as well. Just everything is in this Apple Watch that you need, except for the heart monitor and always on display. So thank you for watching this video on the Apple Watch Series 3. Please be sure to subscribe to this video. Please smash the like button down below so you watch. Also be sure to check out all the videos on my channel. Be sure to check out applecritics.com for this Apple news, reviews, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/applecritics, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/applecritics, and subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.